Hello, testing, testing. Hello, hello, boys and girl. Hi. How are you? I hope everybody is okay. All right. So today is the last day for your um Google Classroom. Last day, yeah. Last day, okay. So we still have to continue our lesson. So as usual, I will continue our lesson. All right. Yeah, we still will be using the textbook. So I want you open your textbook. All right. Open this page, the one that I show you just now. You can open this page. We will going to read about this one. So for today, what we will do is we're going to read about this solar system. Okay, we will read about it, all about it, and then I will explain to you. Okay, what is the solar system? What planets, right? Do we have in the solar system? And at the end, all right, at the end of this lesson, all right, what I want you to do is you have to do your um, exercise. All right, exercise. There are two exercise. Wait, sorry. There are two exercise that you need to do. Number one, you will have to do the exercise in your Google Classroom. There is Google document there. I want you to do that. All right, and after that, I want you. Wait a minute. Okay. Can you see this book? Yeah, I want you use this book. Got one exercise that you need to do on this book. All right. Okay. So yeah, let's start. Okay, we will start first. After that, I will explain to you one by one what you need to do, what you have to do. All right. So let's look at this solar system. What is solar system? What is solar system? All right. As you can see, as you can see, in the picture, actually, this is what we call the solar system. Okay. Solar system, actually you cannot see it with your eyes. I mean that real one, you cannot see it because it happened outside the earth. Okay, for example, the astronaut, when they go inside the rocket or the spaceship, they will go up, then outside the earth they will see this solar system. So if you still cannot understand what is solar system, I want you use your YouTube or Google. You just Google the solar system, then you will get what it is. All right. Okay. So as you can see, this is the picture. Okay, this is the picture of our solar system. All right. On the middle here, on the very bright one, the big one, this is what we call the sun. The sun. Now from here we actually can see the sun every morning. The sun comes out. That's from this one. It's really big, it's very bright until we can see it from here, the earth. Okay, and as you know, the sun is very bright. Okay, just like now, if you go outside your house, it's very bright, and it's hot. It's hot. That's the function of sun. So the big one, okay, this is the sun, and all these like round shape thing, this is what we call planet. Okay, planet. Just like when we live here in the earth, the place we live now, we call it earth. EARTH, earth. So earth is one of the planets. Okay, planets, this is what we call planets. Okay, and as you can see over here, I didn't know whether you can see my mouse or not. Let me show you with my pen here. very small one, and it circle. This is the earth where we live now. Okay, there is small, should we call it planet? Okay, small thing here circling the earth. This is the moon. The moon. If you don't know what is the moon, go Google MOON. Okay, moon. MOON, moon. But we're not going to discuss about the moon. We're going to discuss about our solar system. All right. Now, before we start, let's learn some vocabularies. Okay. Now, everybody follow me. Say these words. Okay. Number one, planet. 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 Okay, what is planet in Chinese? This is the meaning of planet in Chinese. So, like now, where we live now, it is called planet Earth. Okay, planet Earth or planet Earth, right? Okay, that is a planet. Now, next one. Oh, by the way, boys and girls, this is actually you will learn, or I don't know whether you have learned it or not, but you will learn it in science. Science is 科学, if I'm not mistaken. Right? Science. You will learn this thing in science, alright? But it's just what we're just going to read about it. Okay, next one. Around. Around. What is around? For example, let's say this is the object. This is my hand. Around is like this one. This is what we call around. It means it's very near to the subject. Okay, this is the meaning that I can find, the Chinese meaning that I can find. So you may read yourself. Okay, around, around, around. Around means very near. Okay, very near. Around. Okay, for example, all right. We will read about that later. All right. Next one, let's see. Close. Close. Okay, close mean very near. Okay, very near. This is Chinese meaning. Very near. Okay, let's say this is the object. Okay, my hand I put very close to the object. Okay, my finger is close to the object. Close, very near. Okay, near. Close. 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 Alright, and the last one is far. Far, if I'm not mistaken, in Chinese you call it yan. Yan. I cannot remember, but you can read it yourself. Far. This is a subject. Example, this is subject. I put my hand very far. Okay, far. This is what we call far. Far. Alright, far. I hope you get that. Okay, so let's continue with this one. What we will do now is I will read to you and I want you follow me, read this. Okay, we will read this and then I will explain to you. Now, okay, are you ready? Is everybody ready? You can you see the text? This is what we call the text. All right. Okay. So follow me. Ready, boys and girls? Ready? Okay, let's start. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The Sun is at the center of our solar system. It is a star, and all the planets go around it. Earth is the planet people live on. Next one. Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun. It's also the smallest planet. Mercury is very hot, but the hottest planet is Venus. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the coldest planets. Neptune is also the farthest planet from the Sun. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are very big, but Jupiter is the biggest planet of all. Okay, so now as you can see in this picture, actually what happened is our solar system, right? This is the Sun, and all the planet will circle the Sun. They will move like this one. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I got my pen. Okay, this is the Sun. The planet will move like this one. They will circle like that. Okay, they will circle. Okay, they move around the Sun. Okay, so there are 8 planets, okay, in our solar system. Actually, there are a lot of planets, many planets. Okay, many planets, but the one that you need to know at least is 8. Okay, 8. What are they? Mercury. Mercury is the closest to the Sun, so this is Mercury. Okay, Venus, Earth, and then you got Mars, you've got Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So 8. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, right? Is it correct? Okay, Mercury, oh sorry, I try again. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So we got 8 planets in the solar system. Okay, now the Sun is the center. The Sun, this is the Sun. Okay, it's the center, the middle. Okay, the middle center of our solar system. Okay, so you see this is the center, and then the planet will go around. Okay, center of our system. Okay, what is a planet? Planet is a star. Okay, it's a star. Sorry, the Sun. The Sun is a star. The Sun is not a planet. The Sun is a star, and all the planet just now, the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, all the planet will go around the Sun. They will go around like this one. Okay, they will move around. Okay, let's go one by one. Okay, Earth is the planet people live on. Okay, so right now, if people ask you what planet do people live, it's the Earth. We call this planet, the one that we live now, okay, now we call it Earth. Okay, so next one, Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun. If this is the Sun, Mercury is very closest. So as you can see in this picture, maybe this is Mercury, closest to the Sun, and it's very hot. It is very hot. Okay, now smallest planet, Mercury is smallest planet. All right, very small planet. Okay, smallest planet. Mercury is very hot, 100. But the hottest planet, number one, very, very hot. What planet? It's Venus. So, number one, hot, it's Venus. Number one, very close, is what planet? Mercury. Okay, next one. I will explain to you why it's hot, why it's cool after this. Okay, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the coldest planet. Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, coldest planet. Okay, learn cold. Okay, it's very cold. Okay, Neptune is also the farthest planet from the Earth. Let's say this is the farthest planet from the Sun. Let's say this is the Sun. Neptune is the farthest, very far. Number one, very far from the Sun. Okay, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are very big. So these three planets is big. Okay, big. But Jupiter is the biggest planet of all. So number one big is what planet? Jupiter. Number one very small is what planet? Mercury. Now, why Saturn, Uranus, Neptune cold planet, but Mercury is hot planet? Now you see Mercury is here, is very near to the Sun, so that's why they are very cold. It's very cold because it's very hot. 100 Mercury 是100因为 because alright because it's close to the Sun. Okay, and this planet Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, they are very cold. Why? Because they are far from the Sun. So that's why when here is the Earth, this is us, we. Okay, so we are not that far and we are not that close. So that's why sometimes you get cold, sometimes you get hot. So because we are in the middle, ipan. Is it correct? In the middle, right? Not very far, not very cold. Okay. So next one. Okay. Okay, this is the another example. Okay, this is the Sun. Then we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Neptune, Jupiter, blah blah blah. But this one, don't look at this one, Pluto. Pluto is wrong. Pluto is not a planet. So how the planet will move is they will move like this one. All the planet like move like this one. That is why we have morning and also night. The Earth will move like this one. I don't have ball with me, but let's say this is the Earth, this is the Sun. Okay, the Earth will move like this one. So that's why you have morning, that's why you have night. Okay. Alright, next one. This is the arrangement of the planets. As we read just now, Mercury is the smallest and the closest to the Sun. So we have Mercury, after Mercury Venus, after that Earth. Earth is where we live now, and then we have Mars, we have Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So you see these two planets, okay, very very hot. Mercury, Venus are very hot because they are near to the Sun. They're very near, they're close to the Sun. Okay, but for the last three planets, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, okay, because they're very far from the Sun, okay, that's why they are cold. Very cold. You see, now I also cold. Okay, all right. Okay, now next one we will watch a video, okay, about the size of the planet. Now remember, some of the planet is not in the video, but it's okay. I just want you to see how big the planet is. Okay, some of the planet there, some of the planets not there. Okay, I want to see how big they are. Okay, how big they are. Alright, sorry, give me few seconds. Okay, now, right, let's watch the video. Okay, now this is the moon. Okay, the moon, right? The moon will circle the earth. Okay, so this one we don't have. Just now we not, when we read, we don't have this Callisto, so never mind. Then Mercury. Remember, Mercury is the closest to the sun. Closest to the sun. Small planet, closest to the sun. Then we have Mars. Okay, you can see Mars is bigger than Mercury. A little big. Okay, bigger than Mercury. Then we have Venus. Yeah, Venus. Okay. Venus, then Earth. Okay, you can see how big we are. We're very, very big. But there are bigger planets. So, this one no need. This one we don't have. Kepler 22b we don't have. So it's okay. You no need to know about this. And then we have Neptune. See how big the Neptune to us? Neptune, cold planet. Neptune, cold planet. Uranus, also cold planet. Big planet, cold planet. And then next one, we have the Saturn. This is the Saturn. Wow, so big. Okay, very, very big. And then we have Jupiter. This is Jupiter, bigger than Saturn. Okay, this is Jupiter. And of course, this is not yet the sun. This is not yet the sun. After this, you will see how big is the sun. Wow! This is the sun. Okay, you see, this is us, the Earth, and this is the sun. See how big they are. Okay, so we will stop there. So you see. These are the planets, and this is the sun. You can see how big the sun is. Wow. Okay, wow. Alright. So, boys and girls. Okay, let me get back to this. The video stops there. There are many other planets, but I'm not going to show you that because it's not in what we read. Okay, so remember just now we saw in the video about Mercury, the smallest planet, and then Mercury also closest to the planet. Then we have number 2 Venus, then we have Earth, then we have Mars, then we have Jupiter. Okay, Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. And then we have Saturn, we have Uranus, we have Neptune. Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are the cold planet. Okay, cold planets. Alright. Okay, and of course, compared to these planets, the sun is the biggest of them all. You just now you saw the video, right? Oh, sorry, you cannot see the sun. Yeah, there. Okay, the sun is of course the biggest of them all. Okay, the biggest. Can you see the video just now? I didn't see it. Wait, let me get that to you back. Okay, let me get that to you back. Okay. See, the sun is the biggest. Alright. So, okay, what you will do now is, okay, this is the text. I want you open your Google Classroom. Let me get that to you. Wait a minute. This one. Okay, this is your Google Classroom. Okay, can you see now? All right. Okay, write in the blanks with correct words. You may refer to your textbook page 98. Open your textbook page 98 and then you write the answer. For example, let's see number 1. Okay, let's see number 1. I will give you the example for number 1. There are what planets in our solar system? Okay, so I want you go back to this one. There are what planets in our solar system? So you see in this one, okay, there are how many planets in our system? There are 8 planets in our solar system. So what is the answer? How many planets? 8. So this is the answer. So you have to go back to your Google Classroom and then you write the word 8. EIGHT, just like that. Okay, so this is your homework number 1 and your homework number 2. Wait, let me get to you. I have to open first, so you have to wait. Give me few minutes so that I can open it. All right. Okay. Wait, give me few minutes. Okay. I will show you now your another exercise. Can I show you here? I can't show you. Wait, oh, I cannot show you. Okay, never mind. Okay. Okay. Now can you see? Right. Yeah. Okay. Now this is your homework. Okay, in the exercise book, what you need to do is you have to arrange the words and then you have to write. Okay, for example, okay, solar system in our there are planets 8. So you have to find where is number 1, number 2, number 3 until you finish. Okay. All right. Oh, sorry. How did I? Okay. So for example, this example, so we have to find where is number 1. Remember, number 1 must be capital letter, 大写. So this is the capital letter, so of course this is number 1. Can you see it? Okay, okay, this is number 1. Okay, the last one must be got full stop, so this is the full stop, this is the last one, right? So there are, okay, how many planets? 8 planets, number 3 here, and then where? In our number 4 solar system. This is number 5. So after that you just write back, there are 8 planets in our solar system. Okay, that's all you need to do. All right, that's all you need to do. Okay, Is there any problem? If got any problem, you can ask me later. Alright, I think that's all for today. 30 minutes already. Thank you, boys and girls. I will see you next year. Hopefully I will see you next year. Alright, take care, take a good care of yourself, and happy holiday. Okay, alright, till then, take care. Bye bye.